Some persons are shocked that we are not yet destroyed. They were hoping that by this time we should be stranded. But every time they come to check, the glory increase. Every time they come to check, the influence increase. Every time they come to check, the honor increase. Deep in their heart, they are pained, but there's nothing they can do about it. That's why I said the light shines in the darkness. The darkness comprehends it not. And this is why you shouldn't distract yourself trying to fight people. Just be engaging your mysteries and be going forward. Your success is enough reply. You don't know how helpless and how many sleepless nights they have when they see you soaring with the wings of the eagle. Don't bother yourself fighting back. Just be growing. Just be growing. Let the glory be increasing. Let the honor, let the power, let the dominion be increasing. A point will come, you will be everywhere. They will advise themselves to keep quiet. Don't fight with your anger. Don't fight with your emotion. Fight with mysteries. They are better weapons in the spirit. And this is one of the most potent mysteries in the kingdom. When you give, you change situations. You want to find masters of changing situations? They are givers. They are givers. I was listening to Bishop Oyedepo several years ago. He went for a meeting. When he was done preaching, the wife went up to take offerings, and the moment she held the mic, she didn't speak. For like 5 minutes, the man picked it immediately that something was wrong. And he rushed to the altar and held